Well, it's sort of a windy day, but it is 50 degrees. Here we are, December, I think, 29th. And it's warm enough out. We're going to end up needing this. The PowerSmart 24-inch snowblower. Last year I had a fail where the belt on it fell off. I found that by tightening the tension on there, that seemed to solve the problem. So let's see if it lived through the summer anyway. See about oil first. Interesting. Looks like we're just about up to full, so that looks good to me. This hasn't run since, I don't know, almost a year maybe? Yep, we're right there. Looks good. Should be an empty tank of fuel. Looks pretty empty to me. I might as well fill it up. Alright, we're all set. Turn the fuel on. Choke is set to start. Let it sit for a couple seconds. Leaving the switch off, I'm going to roll the engine over slow. We have compression. And it's not locked up. So we'll turn the switch on and prime it. I just prime it till it pukes gas out of the carbonator. And first pull of the 2018 to 2019 season. I forget if this is now, I think this is going into the 4th season now, the 4th year that I've had this, and it's still, with the exception of a little rust on a couple of bolts, looks brand new. Like she's running very well. Alright, now I'm gonna see if it'll move forward and back and then try the auger. So now I'm going to shut it down, and then we'll hook up a cord to it and try the electric start. Okay, I got my cord ready first, and then I shut it down. I'm going to try to restart it just like this. For whatever reason, I've never really been successful starting it unless I choke it again, at least partially. So let's see what will happen. There's no choke right now. The fuel off, so we're going to wait till it dies out now. Alright, we're all set. Let me hit that switch there. There we go. So it looks like the startup for 2018-2019 season of the PowerSmart 24-inch snowblower was a success. Took a second pull for whatever reason, but that's fine. It started right up. It probably would have started on the first pull, because the second one, it just barely turned the engine and it was running, so that was that. Looks good. Looks like we're ready for another season, as much as I don't want to blow snow, because that kind of sucks. So today was the day, because it's warm out, to rearrange the garage and get the snowblower in front of the garage and everything else to the back. And that's it. That also includes a startup of this, and next order of business is to make sure there's air in the tires and they're good. They look okay, but you know, I'll put a gauge on them and do the right thing with that. And we're all set. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.